Hi. So if you're looking for a luxurious and modern family home, this beautiful maisonette with a swimming pool is the perfect example of comfort and elegance. In this video, we're going to explore the design and key features that makes this home truly special. From the outside, this maisonette features a stylish and modern architectural design. The house combines elegant with wall finishes, large windows, and spacious balconies that allows natural lighting and proper ventilation. The overall design creates a beautiful and welcoming appearance. One of the standout features of this property is the swimming pool. The pool provides a perfect space for relaxation, family fun, and outdoor entertainment. It also adds luxury and value to the property, making the home feel like a private resort. On the ground floor, the house features a spacious lounge area designed for family gatherings and entertaining guests. Next to the lounge is the dining area, conveniently located close to the kitchen. Um, the kitchen is modern and spacious with enough room for cabinets, appliances, and food preparation. A pantry may also be included for additional storage. Some maisonette designs also include a guest room on the ground floor and also a common cloakroom. Yeah. So when you move to the upper floor, the house features several bedrooms designed to provide comfort and privacy. The master bedroom is usually en suite and may include a balcony overlooking the compound or the swimming pool. The other bedrooms are also spacious and shared additional bathrooms. The outdoor compound is well planned with space for parking, landscaping, and relaxation areas around the swimming pool. This creates a comfortable environment for both family living and hosting guests. A maisonette with a swimming pool combines luxury, comfort, and modern architectural design, making it a perfect home for modern family living. If you need a similar house designs or any professional construction services, kindly contact us on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. West Kenya Real Estate Limited, building your dream home. Thank you.